Checking your account balance on TrickByte is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your balance information. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the TrickByte website and enter your login credentials. Make sure to use the correct username and password associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Locate the account balance section. On the dashboard, search for the section labeled account balance or similar. This section will display your current balance and any recent transactions. Step 4. Review your balance. Take a moment to review your account balance. Ensure that the amount displayed is correct and reflects your recent activities. Step 5. Log out securely. After checking your balance, remember to log out of your account to protect your information. Look for the log out option, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on TrickByte. Regularly monitoring your balance can help you manage your account effectively.